Sabaydi. Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna make a Larb Moo. Okay, it's one of the Laos food. It's very good and I love it. It's my favorite food. Okay, we're gonna use the pork today. That's what we call Larb Moo. We have meat here and all this stuff right here. I will lead you what they are. Okay, so if you Laos, you know what it is. So this is all very good. So I boil the hot water on the side right here, my hot water, and I'm gonna go ahead put all this, herb in, like galangal, lemon leaf, and lemongrass. Hang on 1 second. You go like this. Put in like this in the water first. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the salt in here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put the last of stuff in here. All the liver and pork skin, all that stuff. And then I also put some meat in there too, because it's gonna be my soup later. Go with the lard, okay? And you're gonna go ahead cover up. It's gonna cook for a good 20 minutes, okay? But you have to double check, make sure. And the last of the meat here, okay? Normally we grill outside if you cook outside, but I'm cooking indoor, so I have this little grill here. I'm gonna grill my meat like that, okay? You want to make sure the meat is cooked, but not like too cooked. It's not a barbecue, okay? So you're going to have to chop them later. When it's pork, you want to make sure it's cooked real good, okay? And then come this side, I'm going to introduce you to all the ingredients that I have here. I have all the mint, onion, and cilantro, all kind of stuff, okay? The mint's going to go with that. And then I have bean sprouts. I have powdered rice, rice powder. And the pepper, and this is the chicken flavor, and this is Pa-dek, and this is fish sauce. Okay, and then I'm gonna slide everything together, but let me finish this stuff first, okay? Okay, what I do here, I put galangal and Kaffir lime leaf and pepper, and I pick only red pepper because everything else gonna be green when you put in there, so I wanna, you know, put more color. So I use about 8 pepper in here, okay? All right, so what we have like a lemon also in here, and the rest of the vegetable I probably slice a little bit later. Okay, ได้แล้วประมาณนี้เนี่ย Okay, อันนี้เป็นเครื่องใน This I'm gonna go with my soup, okay? This is soup broth that I already do it first. I'm gonna put all this in here, and then I'm gonna go ahead put my tomato in. Snap pepper in there. Cilantro and onion. This is a soup. Okay. Then come back over here. I'm gonna go ahead start make larb. Okay, follow me, guys. With all my ingredients, it looks like it's a bunch of stuff. We're gonna make it happen. This is the pork that I already chopped, right? And I'm gonna go ahead put lemon in here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and follow with all my seasoning. Put all this in here. This is good stuff. Say the onion is from my own garden. I have my garden in the back, so I use my vegetable, most of my vegetable from my garden. Special, all the herb come from your garden. It smells so good. Me, I'm personal love garden and I love to cook too, guys. See, this cilantro is from my yard chair, from my garden. Smell good. And mixed it. And I like to add some bean sprout. It's got like the texture of vegetable in there if you put bean sprout in, okay? Okay, let me taste, see what this tastes like. My, that looks so good. Ooh-wee. Perfect. Let me put in a place for you. Okay, I finished the Larb Moo. Okay, and then Larb Moo. And then on top of that, I go ahead and make the soup. So normally they kind of like come with the soup also, and then we eat with the fresh vegetable, okay, like eggplant, all the goody stuff, and then it go with the sticky rice, okay. And then well, let me taste my larb, see what it tastes like. I mean, it's look like it's hard to cook, but it's not at all. Okay, you should try that. So good. Galangal. Very good. One more bite. I feel like I want to eat very hot today. No. I'm gonna go ahead with the whole pepper. Mmm.